Hello friends, welcome again. In last lecture we will start the second metalloenzyme, that is the copper metalloenzyme, and we already know that copper metalloenzymes are again three types: superoxide dismutase, cytochrome C oxidase, and the third one is hemocyanin. Okay, these are the actually copper metalloenzymes are six types: ceruloplasmin, pleistocyanin, thyrosinase, superoxide dismutase, cytochrome C oxidase, and the sixth one is hemocyanin. But out of these six, only three are the most important copper metalloenzyme, and these are the superoxide dismutase, cytochrome C oxidase, and the last one is the hemocyanin. And in last lecture we will see the function and the information of the hemocyanin, which is the blue copper protein in which a pair of copper is present, and that pair of copper is attached to the oxygen molecule, and that hemocyanin may be oxyhemocyanin and deoxyhemocyanin, because in oxyhemocyanin copper having +2 oxidation state, and because of that +2 oxidation state, that hemocyanin having blue color, and in deoxyhemocyanin the oxidation state of copper is +1, and because of that +1 oxidation state, that hemocyanin or deoxyhemocyanin is the colorless, and we will see the structure. Now today we are going to see the remaining two copper metalloenzyme. Okay, now the second copper metalloenzyme is cytochrome C oxidase. Cytochrome C oxidase. This is the second copper metalloenzyme, and we know that metalloenzymes are nothing but the enzyme in which active site having one or more metal atom. It may be having one metal atom, or it may be having two or three metal atom. So in cytochrome C oxidase, which is a copper metalloenzyme, but its active site having two metal atom, it is copper metalloenzyme. Copper metalloenzyme. Okay, this cytochrome C oxidase, actually it is a copper metalloenzyme, but its active site having two metal atom, but its active site contains two copper atom plus two Fe atom. This copper metalloenzyme, and we will see the second copper metalloenzyme, that is the cytochrome C oxidase. And the cytochrome C oxidase, it is a copper metalloenzyme, but its active site having two copper atom and two iron atom or two Fe atom. And already we see the definition of metalloenzyme, because in metalloenzyme it contains maybe one metal at active site, or it may be contain more than one metal at the active site. So in cytochrome C oxidase, it having two copper atom and two Fe atom. Okay, now the function. The function of cytochrome C oxidase is that it gives the reduction of oxygen molecule into the water molecule. It gives reduction of oxygen molecule into water molecule. Okay, so the main function of cytochrome C oxidase is that it gives the reduction of oxygen molecule into the water molecule, means oxygen molecule is converted into the water molecule. So reaction is oxygen plus 4 hydrogen plus 4 electrons, and the metalloenzyme is cytochrome C oxidase. cytochrome C oxidase. it gives 2H2. So this is the main function of cytochrome C oxidase is that it gives the reduction of oxygen molecule into the water molecule. So this is the main function. Now we already say that in this cytochrome C oxidase, two metal atoms are present. Actually, it is a copper metalloenzyme, or we also say it is also iron metalloenzyme, but it is generally called as a copper metalloenzyme, in which two copper atom present at active site as well as two Fe atom also present at the active site. And the main function of this cytochrome C oxidase that it gives the reduction of oxygen molecule into the water molecule. Now, which metal give this reduction of oxygen into the water molecule? Now, we already say here the two copper atom or two Fe atoms are present. So, in this cytochrome C oxidase, one copper atom and one Fe atom give the function of electron transfer. Okay, actually two copper, two Fe atom. So there are four metal atom present in the cytochrome C oxidase, and it gives the reduction of oxygen into the water molecule. So not all four metal atom participate in the reduction. Okay, the चार मेटल ॲटम आहेत की ज्याच्यामध्ये दोन कॉपर आहेत आणि दोन Fe ॲटम आहेत, तर चारीचे चारी मेटल एकच रिएक्शन दाखवणार का? नाही. तर त्याच्यातला एक कॉपर एक Fe ॲटम काय करणार? इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रान्सफर करणार दुसऱ्या कॉपरला आणि दुसऱ्या Feला. सो one copper atom and one Fe atom transfer electron to the other copper atom and other Fe atom, and the second copper and second Fe atom give the reduction of this oxygen into the water molecule. जे चार आहेत ना, दोन कॉपर आहेत आणि दोन Fe आहेत, त्यातला एक कॉपर आणि एक Fe काय करणार? त्यांचे इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रान्सफर करणार दुसऱ्या कॉपरला आणि दुसऱ्या Feला. म्हणजे ते दुसरे जे कॉपर आणि दुसरा जो Fe ॲटम आहे ते काय करणार? मग इलेक्ट्रॉन घेतल्यानंतर रिडक्शन करणार कशाचं? ऑक्सिजनचं वॉटर मॉलिक्यूल मध्ये. सो देर आर two copper atom and two Fe atom, out of which one copper and one Fe transfer electron, and second copper and Fe give reduction of oxygen molecule into water molecule. So here the four metal atom present, two copper, two Fe, out of which one copper and one Fe atom gives the transfer of electron, and the second copper and second Fe atom give the reduction of oxygen molecule into the water molecule. So this is the second metalloenzyme of copper metal atom, that is the cytochrome C oxidase, which having two copper atom and two Fe atom at the active site, and it gives the reduction of oxygen molecule into the water molecule. For that, one copper, one Fe atom transfer electron to the other Fe and other copper atom, and the other copper atom and other Fe atom give the reduction of oxygen into the water molecule. So this is the second metalloenzyme of copper, that is the cytochrome C oxidase. Now the last or third metalloenzyme or copper metalloenzyme is superoxide dismutase. Third copper metalloenzyme is cytochrome C oxidase, and we already see this. Third one is we already see the structure and the function of superoxide dismutase in the first metalloenzyme, that is the zinc metalloenzyme, because the superoxide dismutase, which is called as SOD, this is the again a copper metalloenzyme, because the superoxide dismutase contain copper and zinc at the active site. SOD is copper metalloenzyme. Its active site contains copper and zinc. Okay, here in this superoxide dismutase, one of the active site also having copper atom. That's why this metalloenzyme is also called as a copper metalloenzyme. Okay, now we already see the function of superoxide dismutase. It gives the degradation of superoxide into the peroxide. It gives degradation of superoxide into peroxide. This superoxide dismutase give the degradation of superoxide into peroxide. Superoxide means oxygen or O2 molecule having one negative charge, and peroxide means O2 molecule having negative charge. I am already saying that. This is the O2 molecule. When this O2 molecule having one negative charge, it is called as superoxide. And when O2 molecule having two negative charge, it is called as a peroxide. Okay, now the main function of superoxide dismutase is what? It gives the degradation of superoxide into the peroxide. So 2O2 minus plus 2H, it gives H2O2 plus oxygen molecule. Okay, this is the main reaction of superoxide dismutase, and we already discussed in the first metalloenzyme, that is the zinc metalloenzyme, because the active site of superoxide dismutase contain copper and zinc metal atom. That's why it is a zinc metalloenzyme as well as it is a copper metalloenzyme, and its main function is to give the degradation or the reduction of superoxide into the peroxide. Means superoxide is converted into the hydrogen peroxide and the oxygen molecule is byproduct. Now in this, two metal atoms are present, copper and zinc. Okay, the zinc gives the structural support to the superoxide dismutase, and the main function of degradation is given by the copper. Okay, so in SOD of superoxide dismutase, zinc gives structural support to the active site of metalloenzyme and functional support given by copper. Okay, this is the two main role of two metal atoms which are present in active site of superoxide dismutase. The zinc gives the structural support to the metalloenzyme of the superoxide dismutase, and the main functional support is given by the copper. Okay, because copper show +2 oxidation state and zinc also show the +2 oxidation state, and zinc does not having any unpaired electron when it having +2 oxidation state, and copper having one unpaired electron when it having +2 oxidation state. So the main functional support in this metalloenzyme in this reaction is given by the copper atom. So the zinc only give the structural support. Okay, and we already see the structure of superoxide dismutase in the last lecture. Okay, now oxidation state of both metal atom is +2. Both metal atom is +2, and zinc atom having tetrahedral structure. Zinc atom having tetrahedral structure, and copper atom having square pyramidal structure. Copper atom having square pyramidal structure. Okay, so this is the third metalloenzyme of copper, that is the superoxide dismutase, in which the two metal atoms are present at the active site. These are the copper and zinc. That's why it is also called as the copper metalloenzyme. And the two metal atom having +2 oxidation state, and the main function of superoxide dismutase is that it gives the degradation of superoxide into peroxide, means O2 minus is converted into the O2 2 minus, that is the main function. And zinc gives the only structural support to this metalloenzyme. The main function of this metalloenzyme is given by the copper. Okay, so these are the copper metalloenzyme, which are three types: hemocyanin, cytochrome C oxidase, and the superoxide dismutase. In last lecture we will see the hemocyanin, and today we are going to already see the cytochrome C oxidase and the superoxide dismutase. Okay, in next lecture we will start the last metalloenzyme, that is the iron metalloenzyme. Okay, thank you so much for watching.